and I'll state it as clearly as I can that there is no such thing as work-life balance. Remember that, especially in your 20s. I'll repeat that there is no such thing as work-life balance, especially in your 20s. So the reason why the title of this video is called I Might Regret Living This Way is because the kind of work-life balance that I'm going to share with you all in this video is not for ordinary people. It's not for average people. It's definitely not for all. It's just for some special minded people. It's just for someone who are born with great ambition, who want to do great things in life, and who choose to live extraordinary life. So here's the thing. Most of the people in the world believe in work-life balance. They believe in a balanced life where they are enjoying their life, where they're hanging out with their friends, where they're doing all sorts of things and just doing minimal work. I mean, that's the kind of life if you want to live, congrats. I'm envious of you that you want to live that kind of life. But personally, it's not for me. And it's not for some of the people who have a good brain on their shoulders. I think they want to do something different with their life. They have no interest in partying in the weekends or going to concerts or those kind of things. Honestly, for me also those kind of things bores the life out of me. And I just don't want to be involved or be in a company with those kind of people who just get drunk on the weekends, have parties and do all sorts of things. And it's just not about enjoying the weekend, man. आप करो enjoy weekend, आपको कौन मना कर रहा है, बट काम के टाइम पे आप काम करो and do more work in your 20s compared to your 30s and 40s. You have whole 30s and 40s to enjoy. And personally जो भी ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, I think if you're 20-year-old and 20s में हो basically, so you will be able to relate to me more. And it's not even about not enjoying your life and working like a donkey all the time, because आप farmers को देख लो इंडिया में. Those are the most hardworking people. You cannot work as hard as them. They are working like 12 to 14 hours every day. But ऐसे काम करने से कुछ होगा नहीं ना. You have to do smart work, but also you have to do hard work in the starting at least. देखो, इसको ऐसे समझते हैं, कितने सारे लोग आज ये दुनिया में जो अमीर बनना चाहते हैं, सक्सेसफुल बनना चाहते हैं, लेकिन कितने लोग बन रहे हैं. सबके पास वही मोटिवेशन रिसोर्स है, सबके पास बुक्स है, सबके पास पॉडकास्ट है, सब एवरीवन हैव ऑल द रिसोर्सेज इन द वर्ल्ड, बट स्टिल पीपल आर नॉट बिकमिंग रिच. अ फ्यू परसेंटेज, 1% का भी 1% people who are becoming rich earlier are also becoming rich now. The reason being, see, you should know, the most important thing is that you should know where to work, where to put your efforts on, more than how hard you work on it. That is more important. The right location, right people, right time, right opportunity is more important than anything else. तो doesn't matter कितना भी आप काम कर लो, कितना भी गधों की तरह लगे रहो, it won't matter unless you work on the right thing at the right place with the right people. That is the most important thing that you should focus on first sorting out. So let's look at this from a very practical angle also. You see, in the society these days, everyone expects to have a work-life balance. For example, सभी को weekends enjoy करना है, सभी को office holidays चाहिए, सभी को काम कम करना है, सभी को vacations पे जाना है, parties में जाना है, सभी को festivals मनाने हैं, recreational activities करनी है, सब कुछ, right? But just some people are out there, including me. I consider myself a workaholic. Maybe workaholic is not the right word. Just for the lack of better word, I'm using workaholic. But for people like me and people who actually want to do something with their life, apart from just wasting their life enjoying. I mean, 20s is not for enjoying, yaar. You can enjoy, but focus on work more in the 20s. You have your whole 30s, 40s and your whole life to enjoy. I mean, there is no balance in 20s. I think you should explore as much as possible, work hard as much as possible. And as I mentioned before, that the right thing to work on is more important. But also you have to hustle very, very hard in your 20s. You don't have time for all these people who are out there enjoying all the time, who just think about इधर ट्रिप पे चलते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं. भाई क्या चल रहा है यार, अभी तो टाइम है, अभी तो मौका है, कुछ कर लो. बाद में क्या करोगे फिर? 30s के बाद आपके एनर्जी लेवल्स कम हो जाते हैं, आपके लोग आपको इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज देते, यू डोंट हैव दैट सेंस ऑफ अर्जेंसी विद इन यू आफ्टर दैट. अभी तो टाइम है ना करने के सब कुछ. So this is the time you should be doing something on your own and don't wait for the time to pass by. Do something today. So yeah guys, listen, that's why I personally believe that 20s is the best time to hustle as well as work on the right things. I don't think that in the 30s you'll be able to do anything such. I mean, no offense to people in the 30s watching this, but you guys have missed your 20s if you're still watching this video. Because honestly, if you would have watched videos earlier also, I'm sure, and if you would have actually implemented and took action, you wouldn't be watching these kind of videos in your 30s. You would have been where you have wanted to be all your life. But still, if you're watching this, you have got something in you. But the people in your 20s, listen to me very carefully. अभी जो 30-year-old से हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, he is regretting right now already. Make sure you are not one of them. I'm in my 20s, I'm in my early 20s. I think most of the people as per the YouTube demographics watching this video are also in your early 20s. So make sure you make the most out of this decade. Because इसमें you have the highest amount of energy. You have the highest amount of opportunities. You can travel, you can do many things right now which a older person would not be able to do. So stop crying about work-life balance and try to understand something which you have never been taught. And I'll state it as clearly as I can that there is no such thing as work-life balance. Remember that, especially in your 20s. I'll repeat that there is no such thing as work-life balance, especially in your 20s. And as Jeff Bezos says, it's about work-life harmony. It's all about priorities in your 20s. देखो यार, it's up to you. आपको मज़े करने हैं, मज़े करो. आपको हैंग आउट करना है, चिल करना है, वो सब करते रहो आप. लेकिन कुछ बनना है तो छोड़ दो अभी के लिए सब. पूरी 20s छोड़ दो, इन्जॉय करते रहो. आई माई सेल्फ आई टेल यू, 365 डेज काम नहीं करता, 24 घंटे काम नहीं करता. वो तो फेक है. अगर कोई बोल रहा है तो इट्स कम्प्लीटली फेक. द रियल रीज़न इज़ कि इफ़ आई नो दैट आई हैव टू डू दिस थिंग, मैं उसको करके रहूँगा विद इन द गिवन टाइम पीरियड. ठीक है, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू शुड बी. और टाइम वेस्ट मत करो दूसरों के चक्कर में. कोई उधर जा रहा है, कोई ये कर रहा है, सबको करने दो इन्जॉय. अ डेकेड फ्रॉम नाउ, छोड़ दो एक डेकेड, अभी तो काफ़ी फास्ट वर्ल्ड है. 3-4 years from now, everyone will regret after watching you कि they might have not wasted their time. They should have wasted their time when you were hustling, when you were putting your head down and doing the work. And I'm not saying that there will never be any work-life balance. I think you are smart enough to understand that the whole point of this exercise of working hard in early stages of your career is that you can get a lot of time and freedom later on in your life. So that right now if you put in the hours, you have all the hours in the world to spend however you want it later in life. And especially if you go out today and check with the people who are successful in their 30s and 40s and ask them that what did they do differently that made them so successful, they will tell you that they have made ample of sacrifices which normal people were not willing to make in their 20s, and that is what made them stand out today. And they know that they had chosen this way in which they have put in the hours earlier so that they can have all the hours to spend later on. So you can also watch interviews of a lot of successful entrepreneurs and CEOs. Everyone feels the same way about their 20s and working hard in their 20s. And anyone who is successful right now in their 30s and 40s, if you go and ask them, they'll tell you that they've made enough and ample sacrifices in their 20s that no one else would be willing to make. And that's the reason that they are where they are today. And also let me break down a very stupid math for you, which is a 50-50 math. आजकल सोसाइटी में सब लोग क्या बिलीव करते हैं कि एक 50-50 रूल होना चाहिए, 50% वर्क 50% लाइफ. दैट इज़ द मोस्ट स्टूपिडेस्ट थिंग दैट आई हैव एवर हर्ड. मतलब 50-50 क्या, 50-50 के चक्कर में रह जाओगे तो कुछ नहीं बन पाओगे, 50-50 बन के रह जाओगे. अगर आपको कुछ करना है तो एज जेप्टो फाउंडर आदित्य पालीचा ऑल्सो रिसेंटली सेड इन an इंटरव्यू कि इट्स 90-10 रेशियो इन द स्टार्टिंग. एज यू ग्रो एंड एज यू मैच्योर, आपका रेशियो ऑफ वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस कीप्स चेंजिंग. In your 20s, it might be 90-10 or 99-1 even in some rare cases. Later, it might become 80-20, 70-30, 60-40, something like that. But you need to know at what stage in your life क्या priorities है and what work-life balance you should follow. But most of the times, their message gets misinterpreted by the common crowd. What basically they are trying to tell you is that put the hours in right now so that you can enjoy later. Actually, ये जो सक्सेसफुल लोग होते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ देम हैव अ लेजी माइंडसेट विच बेसिकली टेल्स यू कि अभी मेहनत कर लो और बाद में ऐश करो. तो अभी इफ़ यू कैन पुट द टाइम इन, इफ़ यू कैन गिव द आवर्स इन राइट नाउ, later you can be lazy and enjoy the life and live it as you want with complete freedom. So that is a message to you from all those founders and from me also. And then also people talk to me about this thing, mental health. जैसे कि अगर इतना काम करोगे तो डेफिनेटली आपको मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज होंगे. अगर दे विल बी ओनली वर्क एंड नो लाइफ, देन यू विल स्टार्ट टू हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज. ऑल्दो आई नो इट्स अ रियल थिंग, इट्स अ मेडिकल थिंग, बट ऑल्सो द मोर यू बिलीव इन दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स द मोर यू विल हैव देम. अगर इफ यू विल नॉट बिलीव इन डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी एंड स्ट्रेस, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, it's very unlikely that you will suffer from these problems. And it's fine यार, मतलब in your 20s you can manage all these things along with working hard enough. And then the second thing which I hear often is that people talk about burnout, which is same as mental health. कि इतना काम करोगे तो बर्न आउट हो जाओगे, and all those things. मतलब क्या आप मशीन हो क्या जो बर्न आउट हो जाओगे? आप क्या कोई कार का इंजन हो जो बर्न आउट हो जाओगे? यूर अ ह्यूमन यार. यू कैन डू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क ऑल्सो, you can relax also. And also understand that everyone is different. Everyone has their own expectations, own limitations and own capabilities. So if you are feeling down, or if you are feeling depressed or burned out a little bit, then I think you should also take a day or two off and relax, go out, go for a walk and talk to your friends, all of those things. Because eventually you have to maintain your sanity for the long term. You have to remember that it's a long term game. You have to become that guy who puts input every day for the long term. It's not just a 1 week or a 1 year or something like that. You have to go for it for the long term. So अगर इतना लंबा आपको चलना है तो you have to make sure that you maintain your sanity, you maintain the amount of inputs you put in, and you become overall the guy who produces high outputs. And remember, the goal is to eventually escape this cycle of labor and reward and reach a point where there is no difference between what is work and what is fun. To reach a place where all the rules of the world start falling apart. And also the best part is that this is not even as unrealistic as it sounds. You can do it. Also, let's look at this from a very different point of view. Let's suppose there is a 8-year-old you and there is a 80-year-old you. Both are watching you. Now the 8-year-old you has a lot of energy but has no money. The 80-year-old you has some money but no energy. So the 80-year-old you wants you to have fun, wants you to enjoy life, and do not want you to take like this seriously. On the other hand, the 80-year-old you is looking for that hero. He is looking for that guy. He is looking for you to become the man that you have always promised him to be. So, see, this is a big dilemma here. Now, some people, including the 8-year-old you, wants you to do something good in life, wants you to utilize every moment of your early stages of life. On the other hand, some people in your life, including the 80-year-old you, wants you to just chill, have fun and relax life for what it is right now. So this dilemma, I think you can only solve it depending upon how ambitious you are, depending upon what your priorities in life are, also depending on kind of person you are. Some people are born with it, some people are not. So make sure that you do what is right for both the people. Now personally, I have many more ideas on how to live a more productive, efficient and a balanced life. And if this video gets enough interest, then I'll be making separate videos on each of these topics in detail. And also let me know in the comments down below that in future on what topics video you'd like to watch. I'll definitely recording those as well. And if you have learned something from this video or find any point valuable, then make sure you subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. And ladies and gentlemen, as always, build a life that's worth living.